In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your site with Google Search Console Squarespace. By the end, you'll have your Squarespace site connected so you can see real search terms and performance data right inside your dashboard. This connection uses Google Search Console to verify your site and pull in insights that help you understand how people are finding you. Start in your Squarespace dashboard for the site you want to verify. From the main navigation on the left, open Analytics. If you manage multiple sites, double-check you're in the correct one, and make sure you're logged in with an account that has administrator access. The Analytics section is where Squarespace aggregates traffic and engagement data, and it's also where the Google Search Console integration lives. Inside Analytics, look for search keywords. This is the dedicated area that displays the queries people typed into Google before reaching your site. Right now, you may see a prompt explaining that you need to connect Google Search Console to start seeing that data. That's expected the first time you set this up. On the Search Keywords page, click Connect. Squarespace will open a secure window asking you to sign in to your Google account and to grant permission for Squarespace to access your Search Console data. Make sure you use the same Google account that manages the Search Console property for your site. If you already have Search Console configured, you may be asked to confirm which property to use. Choose the version that exactly matches your live site's domain, including www, if your site uses it. If you see a permission screen, review the request and approve it so Squarespace can read your performance data. After you finish the prompt, you'll return to Squarespace and see a confirmation that the connection worked. If you just created the Search Console property, verification and data collection can take some time. It's normal for the Search Keywords panel to look empty at first. Google typically needs 24 to 72 hours to populate initial results, and meaningful trends build over a few weeks. A few quick tips while you wait. Keep your site live and publicly accessible so Google can crawl it. Avoid blocking important pages with noindex, unless that's intentional, and let the integration run without repeatedly disconnecting and reconnecting. If a pop-up blocker interferes with the Google sign-in window, temporarily allow pop-ups for this step. And if you don't see your property in the list, confirm that your Google account has the proper access in Search Console. That's it. You've connected Google Search Console to Squarespace, and your search keywords report will begin filling with actionable insights to guide your SEO.